I is equal to I naught sin omega t, then find out average of current from 0 to t by 2 as well as from t by 2 to t. It is the graph of I versus t, that is similar to sinusoidal function. From 0 to t by 2 current is positive, t by 2 to t current is negative. Now average of I, it means integration I dt, where I is equal to I naught sin omega t dt. Limit is from 0 to t by 2 divided by integration dt 0 to t by 2. So I naught. Now integration of sin omega t is minus cos omega t upon omega 0 to t by 2. Integration of dt is t, and upper limit minus lower limit is t by 2 minus 0 is t by 2. So I naught into 2 by t into omega is 2 pi by t. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. In bracket cos omega is 2 pi by t. First substitute upper limit t by 2 minus lower limit, it means t is 0, so cos 0, and here it is negative sign, so minus. So minus I naught into 2 by t into cos t is cancelled, 2 is cancelled, so cos pi minus cos 0 divided by 2 pi upon t. Here 2 by t is cancelled, so minus I naught upon pi. Cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, so answer is 2 I naught by pi. So it is 2 upon 3.14 into I naught, it means 0.63 I naught. It is the average from 0 to t by 2, and from t by 2 to t, here current is negative, so t by 2 to t, here answer is minus 0.63 I naught. So from half cycle 0 to t by 2, average is positive, and for negative half cycle t by 2 to t, average is negative. Thank you.